Good teamwork there.
Look at this. And down they go. What an impact.
From the ring to the floor.
Ouch.
Again, no countouts. These competitors can do whatever they want outside of the ring. Kane.
Oh, wow. Ah, look at this. Oh, no.
Again, the championship title at stake in this contest.
Oh, short shot to the throat. Kane with a devastating counter.
And the knuckles connect.
Bam! Oh, mama!
Oh, the punch connects.
Hey, what an impact from that kick. Watch it. Oh, big right hand. That'll cause some damage. Oh! Oh!
Oh, look at this.
Oh, there it is.
Kane controlling the arm. And that fist connects again.